Today we're going to go over how to make your blooms on your pear tree turn into pears. All you need is a Ziploc bag and a little brush. What we'll do is we'll put those together and we'll go to a local garden center and we'll take the brush itself and we'll go into each flower and we'll take the pollen off. And we'll go into each one of them and we'll take some of the pollen off like this. Of course, these are not flowered at this moment because this is already too late, but initially they have white flowers going around, and you just take the pollen off. Once you have the pollen at the local garden center, you put it into your Ziploc bag like that. You take it home and you do the same thing on your pear tree, and then that way it'll fruit. Then after a few weeks, you'll notice that the white crowns fall off, and then you'll start seeing that the thicker side of the pear starts developing. And you'll have these all over the place everywhere where you did that. Because of the lack of bees that we have around this area, it's an excellent way of making sure you get a lot of pears on your pear tree. And also, if nobody else has a fruit tree in the area or a pear tree that can cross-pollinate, that's another problem. So that's why we go to the garden center, pick some pollen up, put it in a Ziploc bag with the brush, apply it back to the tree that you want the pears on, and voila.